Builder fan located in the apartment villages of my place, actually. Here's the light. Much better. I do like that spotlight kit on it. That's Halsey. Turn on low. When I first got here, this fan was really bent up out of shape. The blades were all mangled, but I fixed them kind of, but you know, the fan does have some bearing issues too, unfortunately. The one in the living room has the worst bearings. I haven't tested the ones all in there yet. Blowing these things are kind of fast, but crank this thing up to medium. Keep in mind, this fan does move a decent breeze. Silent. The bearings are not the best, but you know, that's how it is. High speed. Bearings does have some noise to them, but it does move a decent breeze. But it'll work for me when I'm living here. Well, I'm not gonna take this fan with me when I move out anyways. It's nothing that great, but it does work. Better than nothing. Does function. Shut her off. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.